Hello everybody. So Melinda and I, we had went out on a road trip and I was driving down through here and pulled over to take a little break. And there was a huge drop off down to a river, a huge concrete reinforced embankment wall. And I said, you know what, this would be a wonderful place to fly my drone. And I got out the drone and I was having a little bit of an issue because I've been flying it at sea level, and then when I took it up the mountains, it showed my altitude already different than it actually was. So then here when I went to take off with it up in the mountains, it was giving me all kinds of warnings. I cleared them, thought I recalibrated it for the level. As it lifts up right here, it goes flying off that embankment that drops down right there, as you can see. It's giving me, it stops here again. It's giving me all kinds of warnings, saying it's thinking that I've reached maximum altitude right there, and it's wanting to go down. It lowered itself right there, in fact, just a little bit. But we're only in the mountains. I'm not anywhere near maximum altitude. So I go ahead and try to continue flying it. It keeps trying to drop down right there. As I move forward, the alarms are going off again now. Now it's just completely confused at the height that it's at. It's bright sunlight. I can barely see the display with all the alerts things going on, and boom, I hit that line. So I'm flying my drone down in this canyon river, and there's a water line that crosses across the river here with a cable, spent with a cable, and there's big boulders down below, and my altitude is tripping because we're up in the mountains and then down in the river, and all of a sudden I just seen my drone just disappear. But it actually is hung in the air on the cables in that water line, and there it is. I thought it was in the river. I've been searching on Find My Drone, searching around the boulders in the water, and it's in the air. All these kids, everybody's trying to figure out how to get it down. That's it, stuck on the cable right up there. Oh man, can't make this stuff up. I told all of them here, if they can rescue my drone without it falling in the water or breaking on the stones, I'm gonna treat them all. So I saw they got a piece of fish net. There it is, sitting right up there. They got a long bamboo pole. They got some net, and the kids are gonna stretch out. I think they're gonna try to knock it down. I think they found an old piece of tarpaulin now too. Gotta love Filipinos, man. Gotta love them. I swear I'm gonna treat them all. This is gonna be an event. I don't know if it's going to survive or not. We'll see. Might be drone parts when I'm down here. It's almost loose. I think it's hung on the camera gimbal. Actually, he got it. He actually got it hung on the bamboo. Woo! Oh my goodness. Good job. And there it is right there.
Look at all their carrying a lot of
Oh, let me turn it off. I'll power off. Just stay here. Don't leave. Tell them don't leave.
You caught that one?
Huh? Tell them don't leave. Stay. Paul, just stay here. I want to get your picture.
What blood, Ken?
American.
American?
Texan. Oh my goodness. Where's that boy that brought it up here? Who? He's the one brought come here? He's the one bring it back to me? Yeah. Yeah, just hold this for me. Get over here. I want your picture. Right here. This is epic. My drone rescue crew right there. Thank you all. All right, come on. We got to get a walkie. Ready? Walkie? Ready? All right. Man, you just can't make these stories up. Look at that. My drone safe and dry over a river, suspended in midair. Whew. And I'm out of breath. Before them kids was there, I'd already climbed through that river, all through them boulders. But I never looked up. And they never looked up. And then me and the gentleman was standing there at the shore, and he happened to see a flashing light above him. There it was. You just can't make this stuff up. So I'm gonna get this drone put up. Whew, I'm exhausted. Look what a beautiful view. And I'm buying that whole community treats and snacks. It's worth it. God bless them. Thank you again. Nice people. Nice people.